as I rolled off in a taxi. Put my feet up, I'm relaxing, singing Figaro with no accent, while I pull strings from the streets in. Doing all with a straight face, I'm the kingpin. Top dog, top flow, boss mode, I'm the kingpin. Showstopper, top dog, Godfather, I'm the kingpin. I'm a top dog on a stat sheet.
The Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica made its dynamic premiere on both road and circuit in Valencia, Spain at the end of June, putting the handling and performance of the latest Lamborghini Huracan model to the test in all environments. The three souls of this super sports car, easy everyday driving, sporty fun to drive, and high-performing track day car, were explored in downtown Valencia, on the Spanish mountain roads and on the Circuit Ricardo Tormo. The Tecnica's unique characteristics deliver a sporty, lifestyle super sports car for both road and track. The Tecnica takes the engine and track prowess of the Huracan STO to deliver a rear-wheel drive car with rear-wheel steering, alongside a 10 kg weight reduction, a power increase of 30 horsepower, improved aerodynamics, rear downforce increased by 35%, and drag reduced by 20%, compared to the Huracan EVO rear-wheel drive model. Subscribe now to Auto TV.